The year is 1961. In maternity wards across Europe, a horrifying reality is unfolding. Thousands of babies are being born with severe deformities, tiny, flipper-like limbs where arms and legs should be. Confused doctors search for answers while devastated parents struggle to understand why. The culprit? A seemingly innocent morning sickness pill called thalidomide, a drug deemed completely safe-tested, approved, and trusted by doctors worldwide. But this trust would soon shatter, along with the lives of countless families. This wasn't just a medical disaster. It was a wake-up call that would revolutionize drug safety forever, giving birth to what we now know as modern pharmacovigilance. But to truly understand how we got here, we need to journey back much further. Long before sophisticated laboratories and clinical trials, our ancestors were already grappling with the double-edged sword of medicine. In the midst of ancient healing traditions, our earliest medical practitioners were making crucial observations. Picture an Egyptian healer, carefully documenting the effects of medicinal herbs on papyrus, or a Chinese physician, meticulously noting both healing properties and harmful effects of traditional remedies. These weren't just recipes, they were our first drug safety reports. By the Middle Ages, physicians were beginning to recognize patterns. When multiple patients experienced similar adverse reactions to the same treatment, they took notice. These observations, though primitive by today's standards, laid the groundwork for systematic drug safety monitoring. But it wasn't until the 19th century that the true horrors of unregulated medicine became apparent. Streets were flooded with patent medicines, magical elixirs promising to cure everything from headaches to cancer. Many contained deadly ingredients like mercury, arsenic, and opium. Children were dying from soothing syrups laced with morphine. Adults were being poisoned by miracle tonics containing radioactive materials. The public was at the mercy of snake oil salesmen and their dangerous concoctions. Then came 1906, a turning point in American history. The Pure Food and Drug Act emerged as the first federal law governing drug safety in the United States. What triggered this landmark legislation? A series of shocking exposés revealing the deadly contents of popular patent medicines. Imagine the public outcry when they learned that their children's cough medicine contained alcohol and opium, or that their daily tonic was essentially poison in a bottle. The government could no longer stand idle. This law marked humanity's first organized attempt to protect its citizens from dangerous drugs. But as we would learn with thalidomide decades later, it was just the beginning of a long journey toward true drug safety. These early steps, though imperfect, laid the foundation for the robust drug safety systems we have today. Every documented reaction, every tragic incident, every regulatory milestone, they all contributed to building something greater, a world where medication safety isn't an afterthought, but a fundamental right. As we continue our journey through the history of drug safety, remember, behind every regulation, every safety protocol, there are real human stories. Stories of tragedy, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of safer medicines for all.